Kuala Lumpur International Airport. We are going to show you how to use the AirAsia self-check-in. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to check in. We're going to now enter our booking number. So it says select guests you'd like to check in. The 4 of us are here, so I'm going to press select all. Then press confirm. Make sure that you check that all your details are correct and that they match your passports. Make sure that you have none of these items. Make sure you get your passports and press to scan. So 3 steps. First one, print your boarding pass. Step 2, print your bag tags. Step 3, go to the baggage drop area. And this lovely man actually applied our bag tags, which was really nice. Well, great service here in AirAsia. These are our reference numbers for our bags. If you have any questions, just go and see one of their great representatives and they will be so kind and helpful. Okay. Thank you.
The down there. Yes. There you are.
And now that you've dropped your bags, you can meet them at the other end. Now for immigration.